Previously on The Bartender.
You know, when I run certain joke already, okay.
Well, I guess it's back to business as usual.
With all the necessary precaution. Start already.
But the facts are that this person that you revere and look up to is a known offender as it relates to criminal activities.
Eric, I still my friend them.
You mean your bad man friend them?
Yeah, but with my good example, I expect them to change.
Stoneface come to me and tell me about me to give money to top ranking. Me don't even know who this top ranking is.
Stoneface come to you? After Stoneface never talk to me about that. Or if you come to you and talk to me?
The youth are coming about the Xpressionz.
What about him?
Well, him did pop up the other night again.
And what?
Claim for say we have unfinished business.
So, a serious thing that you tell the pan.
Okay. Let's clear the air.
Andrew, let me tell you something. This, I am not ready for this.
Leave your man.
Yeah.
You just call me middleman, Mr. Contractor. Well, let me tell you something. Me and Top Ranking are the only two man we can make not even a nail drive on your side. What you say? Me never stutter.
Mistake. That you call it. The black get shot up. Two eye soldiers them dead. And one of the items I nephew. And you call that mistake.